Can I just... Oh! I'm bored. I haven't made a video in a while, so there is some kind of construction platform thingy that is washed up on the shore, and I want to go explore it. And I brought my compact little fishing rod thingy in particular because I don't know. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can pick it up on here on the camera. Okay. I'm kind of wondering how I'm gonna get there. God, watch out. Watch out for snakes. Watch out for wildlife and lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my. Cute turtle. So there's that thing. And I wonder if I can get to that from all this water in between. Oh, it's so magical. What is that?
Hey!
Like a fairy?
Watch out!
So mystical and...
It's just some trash blowing in the wind. Do you have any idea how complicated your circulatory system is?
Jesus. Oh boy. Play Breath of the Wild and Tears of the Kingdoms. Prepare me for stuff like this. Okay. Probably should have seen if the water's cold or not. It's not that bad. A little chilly, but not too chilly. Ooh. Ooh. Get a little deeper. Alright, just gonna toss that up there. Down here. Yeah. Slip. Okay. There's people over there and they're like probably looking at me right now. Here is this weird construction contraptment thingy majigger. It looks like big business. I'm not gonna touch any of that. You know, exploring it, but I'm gonna be respectful, of course. Oh, look at all this spider webs. Look at this. Covering all sorts of webs. Ooh, get kinky. Look at all this. There's a number. I don't know. I probably shouldn't have that on there. Look at all these gears. And is that Dawn's dish soap right there? Whew. Nitrogen tank? Looks like it. No, settling. Okay. Is that a grill? Here it is. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, don't touch it. It's far out to the lake. Can this hold me? I'm gonna say a strong maybe. And then we're gonna, bam, there you go. Well, I can do this? Probably not. Should have brought my headset. Okay, I am gonna call it quits before somebody looks at me weird and possibly call the cops on me for being over here. So, yeah, alright, I'm leaving. Bye, Steve.